Hello, dear students. Welcome to Wisdom Era online class. This is your English teacher, Nagvini. As we all know, India became independent nation on August 15, 1947. Before that, our country ruled by British people. There were many freedom fighters of fought for of our country's freedom, such as Mahatma Gandhi ji. Next, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Sangolli Rayanna, Onake Obawa, and Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh and many more. Students, in this session we are going to understand the prose, that is, I want to quit the ICS. The lesson I want to quit the ICS is the letter written by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, seeking his advice about what he should after quitting the ICS examination. ICS means Indian Civil Service Examination. Subhash Chandra Bose, also called Netaji, was born on January 23, 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha to Mr. Janakinath Bose and Prabhavati Bose and India, and he was an Indian nationalist whose defined patriotism made him a hero in India. He also led an Indian national force from abroad. It is the Western power during World War II. He also founded the Swaraj Party. Bose is credited with the very famous slogan, that is, "Give me blood, I shall give you freedom," as well as Jai Hind. He is fondly known as one of the real freedom fighters of India. He died on August 18, 1945 in Taiwan. Students, please open your textbooks. I am going to read pre-reading task. Students, let us remember some of our great national leaders. We will see it one by one. Great leader after he came back from South Africa. Students, who is that person? Can you guess that person? Who is that man? Yes, exactly. He is Mahatma Gandhi ji. Right, my dear students. Next, go to the second question. Who is the man who wrote letters to his daughter when he was in prison? What more do you know about him? Students, please, can you guess this person? Who is that? Who wrote the letter to his daughter while he was in prison? Yes, exactly. Who is that? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Students, you know that he is the first Prime Minister of our India. Okay? Yes. Come to the third question. Who was the great leader who said Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Students, who said this slogan? Who said this slogan, that is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Yes. Students, exactly, you are right. Your answer is right. That is, yes, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who is that? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next question. Who is the national leader who is called the Iron Man of India? Students, please, you can guess this. You can guess that person. Who is the Iron Man of India? Yes, of course. That is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. Who built an army to fight with the British? What was that army called? Yes. What was the army called? Of course, the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose built an army to fight with the British. What was the to fight with the British? Indian National Army, that is the army name. He built an Indian Army, Indian National Army, that is INA. Subhash Chandra Bose built that army. Okay, the name of the army is INA. Yes, well done, my dear students. Now please look at your textbooks of 2 paragraphs. First, I read out the first 2 paragraphs. Listen carefully. Subhash Chandra Bose, whom we call Netaji, left India in 1919 for England with a promise to his father that he would appear for the Indian Civil Service examination. He was selected in his first attempt, but he did not want to work under an alien ruler. He resigned his civil service post and jumped into the freedom movement. He became an active member of the Congress. He was elected president of the Congress in 1938. In this letter, Bose seeks the advice of Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, who was the undisputed leader of the Congress at that time, about what he should do after quitting the government job. Here, my dear students, quit means to stop doing something or leave. Students, as I have already told you, this lesson, I want to quit the ICS, is a letter written by Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. Netaji left India in 1994 England with promise to his father that he would appear for the ICS examination. Students, what is ICS? ICS is the Indian Civil Service Examination. What is father's name? Yes, Mr. Janakinath Bose. So, Netaji left India to England to appear for the ICS examination. He was selected, but in those days, as India was under British control. India was under British control on that time. He did not want to work under British alien people, so resigned his civil service examination or post and jumped into freedom movement. So, in this letter, Subhash Chandra Bose want to seek the advice of Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das about what he should do after quitting India civil service. As Chittaranjan Das was the undisputed leader of the Congress at that time, Subhash Chandra Bose wanted his advice in freedom movement, so he wrote a letter to him. Students, I will continue next part in the next class. Let me ask you few questions to know how much you have understood. First question is, who is writing the letter here? Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose is writing the letter here. Yes. Next question. Who is he writing to? Who is he writing to? Yes, the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose is writing the letter to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. Last question. Who is called the Iron Man of India? Students, who is called the Iron Man of India? Yes, your answer is right. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called the Iron Man of India. Yes. Students, now I quit the today's class. In the next class, I will come back with the next part. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you.